Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you saw, I think it'll be the last video where I bought a load of firewood logs. I'm going to go ahead and start working on those. I'm going to sort them out. I'm going to take a 4610 over and I'm going to sort them out, and I'm going to lay out probably some of the bigger logs down on the ground, and then I'd like to fix it to where I can drive a tractor between it and load those 3 logs up. I'm thinking maybe 3 logs like this, load them up, and then lay logs across them that I'm going to saw up. And then when I get down to the last, when I don't have any more, I'll just cut up the ones that's on the ground, but I'll probably pick them up with the tractor or something. But I don't think I'll do much sawing today. I'm about out of daylight, so I'm going to just run over and kind of sort through them, see what we've got, and maybe some of the smaller stuff, set it to the side so that I can probably cut it first, the stuff that doesn't have to be split. So we're gonna see if a old baby blue ox here will fire up, and we'll go over and start working on sorting them logs out. Take long for your saw to get dull in that in them logs with that dirt all over them like that, but it don't matter. We'll just keep filing the chain and we'll get through it. That's our typical way of getting logs out around here. We skid everything. Most of the country's it's too steep for fellow bunchers and stuff like that. So anyway, guys, that's kind of what I had in mind. I really wasn't intending to saw today, but I just kind of wanted to see how it was going to work out, and I think it'll work all right. I got it up off the ground a little bit, a little less bending over and keeping it up out of the dirt too. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you hadn't already, go down and subscribe. We sure would appreciate it. We'll see you next time.